Hi everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to deploy Cyber Frame for your customers in Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud. Cyber Frame is a secure, hyperconverged infrastructure and infrastructure as a service solution for service providers. It lets you deliver virtual machines, storage, and networking while helping you protect, manage, and automate your infrastructure services from a single unified console. To deploy Cyber Frame, first make sure that Cyber Frame deployments are registered in your account. Log in to your management portal, go to Settings, then Locations, and open the Cyber Frame section. There, you will see all available Cyber Frame deployments where you can create your project. In this demo, we are using Cyber Frame Cloud, hosted in Acronis Data Center. If you prefer to host it locally, you can use Cyber Frame Local and register it in the Cyber Protect console. To do this, click Add Cyber Frame and follow the steps in the wizard. For now, let's proceed with the cloud deployment. Cyber Frame is part of Acronis Cyber Protection Services, and you can manage it just like backup, security, RMM, and disaster recovery. To enable it for a customer, open the Customer Settings and go to the Cyber Frame section. Here you can see the deployment we are using, along with the offering items enabled for the customer. These offering items include vCPUs, RAM, block storage, VPN connections, floating IP addresses, and Windows Server licenses. You can enable or disable these items for a customer and manage quotas in the same way as you do for other Acronis services. You can enable Cyber Frame for existing customers or for new customers when creating them. Now, let's open the Cyber Protect console for the customer and see how to deploy Cyber Frame. First, scroll down to the Infrastructure section and then click Cyber Frame. Here, you can see all available clusters where you can provision your project. To begin, select a cluster and click Provision. Each customer project is isolated from the others. This allows you to use the multi-tenant model of Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud to deploy Cyber Frame projects for customers without manually linking projects to customers. Once provisioning is complete, open the newly created project. On this screen, you can see the management console that lets you manage your infrastructure. Here you can create virtual machines, manage images, volumes, and networks, as well as configure VPNs, routers, floating IPs, security groups, and SSH keys. Now, let's create our first virtual machine. Before we do that, we need to create a network. First, go to Networks and click Create Network. Enter a name, configure the required settings such as the CIDR and gateway IP address, and then create the virtual network. Once the virtual network is created, we can move on to creating the first virtual machine. Go to Virtual Machines, click Create Virtual Machine, and enter a name for the new machine. Then choose an image from the list of available images. In this example, we will use CentOS. Next, configure the flavor and define the network interfaces. Here, we'll add our private network and then proceed with deploying the virtual machine. The virtual machine is now running, and we can check whether it appears in the All Devices view. Cyber Frame is tightly integrated with Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud, so every machine you create in Cyber Frame is automatically discovered and can be protected with backup, disaster recovery, security, and RMM. Let's check it out. Go to the Devices tab, and here you can see the virtual machine we just created. Now, let's apply a protection plan. Click Protect, choose Backup Entire Workload, and start the backup. The backup is now in progress, and once it is complete, the machine is fully protected. In just a few clicks, we deployed Cyber Frame infrastructure, created a network, launched a virtual machine, and protected it. That is the value of Cyber Frame, an integrated solution that combines secure infrastructure with built-in protection services. Thank you for watching.